Back in Sturgis. Just came off Main Street right back there. Just came over here to start this video out somehow. I'm gonna be in Sturgis today, and the B-1 bomber flyover will be going on. Will be happening about 3 o'clock, at 3 p.m. About a little over 2 hours away, I think, something like that. Forgot to look at the clock again. But okay, let's go take and let's see, what day is this? It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5th day of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. Okay, let's go see what the 5th day of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally looks like today. Tuesday. August 8th. I had to stop and think. Make sure I had the date right. There's Rally Point. Pretty darn good crowd today. I think most of the video today is just going to be like the sights and sounds of Sturgis today. Really not doing anything else, just looking around and walking around today. I'm at the quiet end of Main Street. It's legendary Main Street. Dales here. I'll go around the other side and see if we can get a better look at them. Can't really see the stage from here, I guess. At least you can see most of the horse. I only came here to sit down in the shade and drink that. So.
Now, without further ado, to be guys to welcome the Honorable Mayor of Sturgis.
All right, I came all the way to this end of Main Street. I'm right in front of the police station, in fact. You gotta wait for the B-1 bombers. They'll be coming from that direction, so should have a pretty good vantage point from right here. Actually elevated. Comes up an incline here, so I see quite a distance down Main. go.
Guess that was it.
There we go. That was the B-1 bomber fly over. This year they had only one come by. Last year we had two of them right next to each other. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. It was mostly, you know, just sights and sounds of the rally for the most part. And I'm going to continue filming and, you know, use those clips in the future video. And even some of the clips that were in this video, I'll probably reuse in the future video, but we'll see. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.